just some of the things that I've got for my holiday. This isn't one of them. Right, let me try them on. These are going in the suitcase. We're starting our countdown. Our holiday countdown. We're going to Japan. Got 6 days. So I need to sort out what I'm going to be taking and wearing for the evening dining. So evening dine outfit number 1. So we'll put this in the case. I like it a lot because it's got pockets. You'll find it on the TikTok shop, but we like it. We like it a lot. So this is outfit number 1. Outfit number 2, we like this. The material is super soft. I can't wait to get all glammed up. Bit of makeup, do the hair. Yeah. Outfit number 2 for evening dining on the cruise ship in Japan. Don't you love it? I'm getting a little bit excited. Outfit number 3 for evening dining. Got a little ruffle here off the shoulder number. It's got a little ruffle here as well. If you're a bit conscious of your belly. Yeah, can't wait to be glammed up. I'll have no glasses on and I'll have my hair down and a bit of makeup on. And yeah, I'll have you guys come and dine with me as well as my son. But yeah, outfit number 3. Outfit number 4. Bit controversial. People say I look like a maid or serving staff. I guess if I had a little white pinny, I would. But I like it. It's comfortable. So yeah, this is outfit number 4. Outfit number 5 for casual dining. It's got a nice stripe detail. Comfy, stretchy, comfy joggers with my little white trainers. Super soft, lightweight jumper top. Outfit number 5. So this is outfit number 6. So you've seen me wear this one before. It's ribbed. It's a nice length. Pockets, casual smart. And if it's a little bit chilly, I've got this cardigan with cherries on it. There you go. If it's a little bit chilly, to put the cardigan on. Outfit number 6. And evening outfit number 7. These are silky. And I'll just rewear the jumper, which is it's a really nice jumper. But yeah, this is outfit number 7. And then during the day, because we are just going to be sightseeing and excursions and showing you guys Japan, I'll just be wearing casual tracksuits, cohort matches, you know. But yeah, this is outfit number 7. So excited. Let the countdown begin. You can comment if you like and tell me what your favourite outfit is. Comment below. Go down, tick, comment, like, share, and let everybody see a little bit of Japan. Get ready. Now I need to pack all of this into a suitcase. And all of the tracksuits.